This is where ideas evolve into scalable food solutions. Every step, from the first concept to the final packaged food product on shelf, is driven by purpose and precision. Welcome to Foodmonk Innovations.
We have built Foodmonk Innovations with years of hands-on industry experience, with clear and unwavering focus on creating solutions which are not only innovative but which are practical and effective. At Foodmonk, we believe the balance between a strong research and real-world execution is important. Our approach is centered on seamlessly connecting all the stages throughout the journey, right from concept to formulation, product development, and commercialization.
Each project runs on multiple tracks like product development, manufacturing setup, to compliances and licenses. We make sure all the tracks are running seamlessly together without losing the direction. From shaping the client's ideas to a clear plan and aligning all the teams, we make sure our focus is on smooth flow and timely progress.
Each formulation begins with the careful selection of ingredients, guided by nutritional value, functional performance, and consumer relevance. Our research is driven by a strong focus on functional foods and emerging market trends, ensuring forward-looking product development. In addition, we leverage an extensive portfolio of flavors and extracts, enabling us to create formulations that are both effective and enjoyable.
Once the research phase is established, selecting the appropriate technology and packaging format becomes crucial. We conduct multiple trials to refine each formulations. At every stage, we carefully balance taste, texture, cost, and scalability, ensuring all key sensory and functional parameters are aligned. This is where research takes a tangible form, transforming a concept into market-ready, shelf-stable packaged food product.
Every packaged food product undergoes a comprehensive sensory evaluation prior to progression, assessing key attributes such as taste, texture, aroma, and appearance. This process is structured, rigorously documented through standardized sensory evaluation forms, and executed with precision, ensuring consistency and quality across trial batches remains uncompromised. Along with development, compliance is equally important, and it runs parallel, not at the end. We support licensing and approvals under FSSAI and ensure accurate label engineering as per current regulations.
Today's consumer wants something that fits into their busy lifestyle and something that tastes like home. So from gravies to shelf-stable products or formats, every packaged food product that we develop goes through the same rigor. That is sensory testing, process evaluation, and shelf life checks. Because convenience and taste goes hand in hand.
Scaling up is where real challenges comes in. Moving from lab to large-scale production means recalibrating everything: time, temperature, and other process parameters. Maintaining efficiency and consistency at every stage is critical because at scale, there is no room for error.
From an operations standpoint, execution is what ultimately validates the research. Without strong operational systems, even the most promising ideas cannot realize their full potential. Our focus is on ensuring that every stage, from cost optimization to production, is strategically aligned and executed with efficiency, both for Foodmonk and for our client.
From concept to commercialization, we provide comprehensive turnkey solutions, including research, product development, regulatory compliance, and manufacturing facility setup, all delivered through a single, integrated platform. Beyond delivering product formulation, we equip our clients with scalable, end-to-end systems designed for sustainable growth and market success.
This product display represents more than just successful product development. It reflects the values that define Foodmonk. At our core, we are driven by innovation, continuous learning, transparency, and integrity in everything we do. For us, it is not just about bringing products to market. It's about creating solutions that truly make a difference.